Good evening, everyone. प्रीतरणाय साधूनां विनाशकाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Welcome to PPT News, your one-stop destination for the latest and the most reliable updates from your city and district. We bring you breaking news, exclusive reports and insight, full story that matter to you, delivered with accuracy and speed. From government initiatives to community events, PPT News ensures you stay informed about everything happening around you. Our mission is to service the bridge between the administration and the public, highlighting issues and celebrating achievements. PPT News connecting people, informing mind and building trust. Stay with us to stay ahead. Helping others is an act of charity. STM helping others is an act of charity. We should be ready to help the needy sections of society. These views were expressed by SDM Manoj Kumar Dalal while distributing happiness to the needy on the wall of happiness, decorated by Priyas Koshish social organization in Anaj Mandi, Loharu. He said that people of the society should strive for equality and parity and should encourage the institutions and individuals doing such work. Priyas Koshish social organization is setting new dimensions in social activities. On reaching the wall of happiness, Dr. Umeed Jagid, Sanjay Khandewal, Ajay Dahiya, Rinku Kumar, Rampal, Nakipur welcomed him with garlands. State awardee Shyam Sundar Sangwan, Amit Walia, Rinku Jangir, Navneet Sharma distributed happiness to the needy on the wall of happiness. The founders of the social organization Priyas Koshish, Master Pawan Swami, Dr. Umeed Jagid, Raveen Kasavan, Sasi Jain appealed to the general public for cooperation and requested them to donate the excess items, worn clothes, shoes, adi in the houses on the wall of happiness so that some needy person can be helped. Today, Ram Bhagat Solanki, Suresh Bhonduka, Village Secretary Mamta, Village Secretary Gaurav and Vikas give their cooperation on the wall of happiness. Work continues to resolve public problems weekly in Samadhan camps. SDN Naveen Kumar heard complaints in Samadhan camp. Under the leadership of Haryana Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini, work is being done in the state dedicated to public service. SDM Naveen Kumar heard the complaints of citizens in the series of Samadhan camps organized under the guidance of Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma. In the Sabhagar room of the Secretariat, the SDM said that the Samadhan camps are being monitored by the Chief Minister's office and the Chief Secretary's office through continuous video conferencing. The SDM said that the officers should take the complaints received in the Samadhan camps seriously and ensure their settlement as soon as possible. These mainly include property ID, family identity card, land registration, no dues certificate of local body, map approval from municipal committee, electricity, irrigation, public health, social welfare, pension and crime complaints and ration card. For the resolution of the all types of complaints related to these, one can contact the Samadhan camp. SDM informed that on every working day, Samadhan camps are being organized at the district headquarters as well as sub-divisional headquarters from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. On this occasion, senior officers of the concerned department were present. Thank you for staying with PPT News, where we bring you stories that matter. Stay tuned for more updates and let's stay connected to build a better informed, engaged community. See you in the next bulletin. Till then, take care and keep supporting us. Take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar.